Nobody knows just why we're here. Could it be fate or random circumstance? At the right place at the right time, two roads intertwine. And if the universe conspired to meld our lives to make us future and fire, then know wherever you will be, so too shall I be. Yeah, save your eyes from your tears, and when this world unclear, you'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubt and fears, wounded heart. When the light disappears, and when nothing